Good morning, everyone. Look at this. So it's supposed to be like, I don't know, like plus 14, plus 16. And the fish are coming out to play. It's always a good day. And it's beautiful out. Look at that sun. So I just wanted to post a little something because if they start moving, it's not going to be as clear. So basically, off the bat, it is clear, but they'll get stirring this up, which is good. It needs it. Like, this hasn't even been touched by any fish in, well, the fall. So it needs it. Look at this here. Still some ice. A lot of it should go today. And then yeah, it's we're not out of the woods yet. Still gonna be cool. I'll still be able to do some maple syrup, and I'm actually finishing some up. Well, I should be finishing it up today. I got a couple things I gotta clean and then fire everything up. I just wanted to give you an update right now. Before I forget, please like and subscribe. Like this video. And I'll give you an update in a couple hours. All right, guys. Well, look. I was right. It's definitely a little murkier. I was literally in here just scooping up some of the algae. But look, watch this. And I just put my hand in here. Oh, there he is. He's right there. Hey, where did you go? There. Oh. There's a beetle. I don't know if you saw him. But, yeah. Pretty great. So now, what I'm going to do is turn on the power heads, but if you notice, they're not in winter position. They are both lying down. So it's going to also help everything move through. All right. So I turned them on, and already you can see the string algae moving there. So anyways, they kind of stirred up the fish too. They're like, what the heck? So it's a good thing. Look, they're all out here. Yeah. Oh, man. So might get them moving too. It's a good thing. Means summer's coming. So, and even with the water a little cloudy, well, it's cloudy. I was trying to take something good out of that, but you know what? You know what the good thing is? They are swimming. Well, look at it. We have chairs out. And look, they're all out there. What a great sight. Seriously. So they're, the pond's even murkier. That's all good. It's all good. They're all swimming around, checking out the pond. Nothing's been moving, so the fish are now moving. So it is supposed to get like a little cooler coming up, but overall, it's great. So this is really like going. So I'm just gonna kind of step on it, and there. It did stir it up a bit, but it kind of just fixes that. It's gonna clog up a bit, I'm sure. I always have problems with one area, just always pounding it out. But whatever, it's all good. See, it's not coming out as hard. So, and actually, one thing I forgot to do, I'm gonna be putting out cold water bacteria. All right, so I got the cold water bacteria. So we're just, before I spill it, we're just gonna dump it in. So that's 6,000. So there it is. It's the professional grate from Aquascape, and this should help clarify the pond. So I'm gonna bring the rest up here and let it go down there. So I put 10,000 gallons worth. The pond's about 10. I would say 9.5, 10. So anyways, yeah, I just, if I can give it a hand getting clear, then so be it. You can still see it kind of bubbling from there. So these, all the leaves and all that, I'm gonna have to clean up. I'm gonna have to do it soon. Look at this, guys. These are the water irises already starting to grow. It never died. It's crazy. So yeah. But as you can see, the fish are pretty happy. Out and about. They're swimming around. Can't really see because, well, they stirred up the pond, but that's perfectly fine. That's why we have the bog, and actually the big waterfall there, that also captures some of the dirt and whatnot. So I can probably turn that off, even though coming up it's supposed to get a little cooler, but not enough to do anything. Anyhow, guys, oh, there he is. That's it for today. It's kind of nice seeing all these fish moving around. Makes me so happy. So I really hope that we potentially get some spawning this year. That would be fantastic. So have yourselves a great day. Like and subscribe. And it's a great pond season coming up. Have an amazing day.